Gina, AIA Connecticut, joining the show. We're very excited.
Well, Mike, we're really excited too. We're so happy that you tapped Connecticut for the next segments of your show.
Tell me about your chapter.
We've been around since 1902, and right now we have over 1,500 members made up of architects, designers, students, but also being in between New York and Boston, we also have that city flavor as well.
When I think of Connecticut, I think big mansions, old money. Is that true?
Well, I think it used to be. I'm not saying that there still isn't big mansions and some old money in Connecticut, but I think Connecticut has become very much a melting pot for a lot of people that have come from the other big cities. We're not an area of a lot of skyscrapers and those kind of projects, very much residential. A lot of renovation as well. A lot of school renovation, a lot of new school construction going on, a lot of adaptive reuse, a lot of historic preservation. As an older state, one of the original 11 states in the United States, you're talking about all of these old 1,600, 1,500 homes that are still being utilized but are being readapted for other use.
Wow, that's music to my ears, Gina. I'm not really coming to you looking for skyscrapers. I've got those elsewhere. Gina, I'm thinking we start with your award-winning projects, but hey, let's not stop there. Our ears are open for anything you got.
Well, we have a lot of award-winning projects in Connecticut, but there are a lot of projects that are smaller ones that may not have necessarily applied for awards, but are definitely worthy.
We're looking for variety. So yes, of course, the usual suspects, the big firms, we work with them all. But those mum and dad firms, some really interesting work comes out of those too. So interested in talking to everyone. Love your enthusiasm, Gina. It's infectious.
But we're ready to go.